Dreaming of that new Apple gadget but your wallet's whispering not yet? Let's break down how to conquer those Apple expenses month by month, specifically in New Zealand. First, head over to the Apple New Zealand website, that's Apple.com. The key thing to understand is that Apple itself doesn't directly offer a widespread pay monthly option for hardware purchases like iPhones or Macs in New Zealand. Instead, you'll typically use a credit card or a debit card for your purchases. Check with your bank because many New Zealand banks offer installment plans or credit card options that let you split up larger purchases into monthly payments. This is usually done through the bank's own system, separate from Apple. Now, can you use Apple Pay for recurring subscriptions? Absolutely. Things like Apple Music, iCloud storage, Apple TV, and other Apple services happily accept Apple Pay as a payment method. To manage these subscriptions, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name at the top, then select subscriptions. Here you can see all your active subscriptions, change your payment method to Apple Pay if it's not already, and manage your billing details. To ensure Apple Pay is set up correctly, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, add your debit or credit card. If you haven't already, make sure it's verified and set as your default payment method. So, while Apple doesn't directly offer monthly payment plans for hardware in New Zealand, combining bank installment options with Apple Pay for subscriptions makes managing your Apple life a whole lot easier on your budget. Enjoy your new Apple experience.